Alright, so I'm going to be showing you what your parent account will look like on Edmodo. So this is what the home page will look like again. It'll say your name, parent, and the children that you're attached to. You can add your child or class, and this is where you're going to put in that code I showed you in the previous video, and your relationship with the child. So on this, you'll be able to see all the groups that your child is in, and you'll be able to see the post. However, you are not able to contact us underneath the post and comment under the post. That's exclusively for students. However, if you see this and you see our test is coming up, you may message me directly just by clicking this. And this is not the best way to contact us, like we stated earlier. Our Cobb County emails are more likely to get you a more immediate response because sometimes things get hung up in Edmodo. So if you see something concerning on Edmodo, please contact us through our email just so we don't get hung up and we are able to respond to you in a more timely manner. Okay? However, you are able to click right on everything that we're doing. So you're able to see what is going on in class, look at materials, things like that. So if your child's absent, usually everything that they need to catch up is right here. Also assignments. We saw the assignment tab in the student video. So you can see upcoming assignments and also assignments that have been missed. Okay. Alrighty. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email us and we can answer those on an individual basis. But overall, this is what your sample Edmodo account should look like when you log in. Thank you.